Hello, my fellow Spray Lockers and viewers. This is Shajay Lee, founder of Spray Lock Corp. This poor lock is holding on for dear life. Never fret if you come into a situation like this. I'm going to show you how to simply locate a lock that's closest to the lock that's thinning or that's threatening to break. You combine these two first by spraying Spray and Lock all over both locks so that they can bind and hold. Once you have saturated both locks with Spray and Lock, we're going to use the comb twist method and twist those two locks together. Be mindful, as you see here, to use the teeth of the comb to push one lock into the other lock as you twist. Using this technique and Spray and Lock products, that lock will grow to be strong and healthy, no longer prone to breakage. After you've twisted that lock all the way to the end, you'll clip it down, go under the dryer for about 20 minutes or until the hair is dry, and Spray and Lock and this technique will do its job. Never be fearful if you see a thinning lock.